Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 4. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. So let's begin with downloading this app. And now let's open it. Get started and allow localization. As you can see, here we've got our home screen of Google Pay. In home screen you can add extra layer of security, stay in loop and feedbacks, see your recent activity, fast add loyalty card, see apps that are connected to Google Pay, and many different things. Let's tap on payment. In here you've got a window with your all payment methods. Also you can add them from here. If you tap on passes, you can see your all passes right here. Also you can add them by tapping on blue button. Let's tap here and see our activity. In this window you can see your all activity. In participating banks, you gain access to list of all banks that are participating in Google Pay. Also, you can add promo code and go to settings. In settings, you can see general settings and the notification settings. In general, you can turn on or off email updates and Gmail imports. You can change your location settings and edit account info and privacy controls. In notifications you can turn on notifications about purchases, offers and tips, and updates about your passes. As well you can turn it off. Also, you got contactless setup, help and support, feedback and about. If you tap right here, you got access to your Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.